In this tutorial, we're going to look at an example of the chain rule with trig functions. So up here we have the function of y equals cosine of x minus 1, and we are going to use Newton notation again because I used Leibniz in 2 problems and I'm going to use Newton for 2 problems. So what I want to do first is get everything written out. So y prime equals, now once again look for your inside function first, which when I look at this, I know that I can find the cosine of just an x or just a t or so on and so forth, but I don't know how to find the cosine of x minus 1. So it sounds like this x minus 1 is going to act like our inside function, so I'm going to write u equals x minus 1. And I'm going to rewrite this function as cosine of u, and actually I'm going to make this in red since this is my outside function, cosine of u, just like that. Alright, now let's go ahead and see if we can follow this chain rule. Y prime equals, now we have to take what this rule says, to take the derivative of the outside function first, and we know the derivative of cosine of u to be negative sine of u. Alright. Now, after I derive the f function of the outside function, I'm going to derive the inside function. So right above this, I'm going to write out what u prime is going to be, and the derivative of x minus 1 is just 1. So I'm going to write a 1 here. And of course, anytime I multiply something by 1, it doesn't change that problem. So my final answer is going to look like y prime equals negative sine times u. So we're going to substitute our x minus 1 back in, just like so. And this is my final answer. Not too hard. That concludes this tutorial.